told you.
How about that?
No, we don't go in that river, man. It's polluted. The name of the waterfall is
Cachoeira Da Cachoeirinha.
And Paula does on a doctor, you know. Oh, careful. Vocês podem desfrutar dessa hermosura, essa lindura, desse mundo que é nosso planeta terrestre. Hogar é para você, é para nós. Então, vamos a ficar bonitinho, cuidar, não jogar lixo e...
Lixo.
Tá, hermano. I told you.
We was right there.
I told you. I told you. How about that? No, we don't go in that river, man.
No.
It's polluted.
Yes, but
Sadly, that is the river of Piracicaba. All right, folks, we are on our way to discover a new waterfall. As it is located in the city of Limeira, but I'm not sure about the name. So when we're there, I'm gonna give you full detail. You know, as you see, I'm with Noah, Paula, and this
cookie.
Approximately like 20-something kilometers just to go. You do the math to go and come back with all this
Happy birthday!
full house packet, you know. So
Happy birthday, guys!
let's
I
see
don't
how
believe
it's
it.
going to be in the whole trip. All right, folks, stay here with us, okay? See ya, guys. Go ahead, I have it in my pocket, I'll give it to you now. Wow. You go ahead, man. Pareces un caballito. Huh?
Give me the strawberry.
I'll give you the strawberry. Call mama.
Mama, come.
Tell her that it's this way. She has to come.
Mama, it's this way. Come.
Wow, look at this tree. You know what it is? You don't know what it is. Well, you say, mm-hmm.
Yes, I know.
Do you know that we can eat this? Actually, it tastes really sweet and it smells really, really bad. let's show everyone this tree, fruit. A lot of birds, you know, and animals, rodents, animals eating this, you know, in Venezuela. Where it coming from? You know that stinky smell, but tastes really good. You wanna try? You wanna try? Try. Stink, but it tastes good. Seriously. Sweet. No, dude. Try that. Try. It's sweet. Try. You see? Yeah, algarrobo, people. This tree, as usual, everything in the natural provides so much things, good things. You know, Cookie like it. It's sweet. It's sweet.
Cookie.
It's sweet. Look, they have a lot of meat here. This one is not that sweet, but actually, guys, try. You gotta try this if you see this. Algarrobo, look at it.
Oh, look. Cookie want to eat it. I'm gonna get some more.
Es lo de afuera.
Daddy.
All right, we gotta keep continue. Oh, well. Okay, thanks God we're here. I want to say thanks God because we've been riding, you know, and
guys, the water is washed.
It's washed? It's clean, you say?
It's clean.
Clean, that's what you mean.
I'm gonna take a shower with Cookie and with Daddy. Cookie, come back right here. You're gonna get lost.
What I want to show you guys, like, you know, there's an entrance here. You know, they say waterfall, car park, and a contribution of 10 reais for each car and motorcycle. So there you go, Cookie. Good girl. Good girl. You did very well. Coming a long way, like 20-something kilometers. The sound of the waterfall. When I say waterfall, I don't know how big it is. I don't know how strong or the water is, but apparently, and according to the season of the year right now. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're coming down here in the place, I'm gonna explain you all the details. You know, they got the stair here. You gotta have careful, you know, cautious about it. But you know, it's safe. It's concrete, you know. Anyhow, like I say, guys, coming here, according to the time of the year, you will find more water or less water. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Really clean. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? Guys, I gotta tell you that we are located in the city of Limeira. For all of you guys, welcome back one more time to Enrique YouTube channel adventures. You will see here drone, underwater camera, so much more, and good energy through or with the images of this, you know. Guys, and this city have so much to offer. We are kind of far from home, and we're coming from Santa Barbara do Oeste till here. And a video before this one, and I'm gonna leave the link here, you know, so in case you haven't seen it yet. You know, I was in Minas Gerais, and I invite you to go and check it out, you know, guys. You're gonna love it. Anyhow, guys, and I came back here to where I'm stay here in Sao Paulo, you know, and try to split up more beautiful place and waterfall here. I'm here with Noah, Cookie, and Paula. I want to say Noah is upstairs because they found a friend, and I want to review. I want to bring for you so much detail and images of this place. Oh, I won't forget about it. The name of the waterfall is
Cachoeira da Cachoeirinha.
Cachoeira da Cachoeirinha. Well, gente, ela fala mais português que eu. Eu não falo com esse acento, não sei como como fala esse acento, como se diz acento?
Sotaque.
Esse sotaque, isso. Oh, desculpe, meu gente, eu estou tratando o melhor possível para vocês, gente, entender aqui que eu estou tratando de falar. Falou, galera? Então, não mais que falar para você. Vamos sair embora aí lá e vamos voar esse drone a ver que vai dar certo isso todo, tá bom? Beleza? Talk to me. Do you like it? You have a positive thought? What do you think about the place? Would you like to know where or how to come to this place? Please check up in my video description, and if you do like it, leave the comment below, any positive thought, whatever you want, just write it down in the comment. You will help me up, guys, to split up this beautiful natural place and waterfall here located in Limeira, to know the world out there. And if you live here in Limeira, I invite you all come here because it's a beautiful place. But the most important about all this is to keeping conscious about it, then don't throw garbage on this place and the natural environment, because this is your home and my home too. So let's take care about it, right? And what's the name of this waterfall one more time?
Cachoeira da Cachoeirinha.
Cachoeira Da Cachoeirinha. I'm so sorry. You know, gente, por favor, dá aí na subscrição se você é novo, dedo arriba, like e deixe seu comentário, tá bom, irmão? Oh, and if you would like to know much more about my gears, what kind of equipment, drone, cameras I use here on my bike, etc., go into my description, you know, in the video description. Guys, you will find so much info about this place, all right? So, until next time, we love you, big hug, and no more else to say. Ciao.